Hi guys, it's your girl TG Weeks. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, you're welcome, and for the old subscribers, you're welcome too. And please, if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe for me. I hope you enjoy my videos, so you can subscribe. So today I will be showing you how I made this beautiful cornrow weaving, which we normally call over weaving. So I will be showing you, because it's as if this is the trendy style now, so some persons find it difficult or they don't know how this particular cornrow is being made. So today I will be showing you how you can weave your all back like this, or you can style it like this. So that's what I'll be showing you today. I'm using full lace net for this particular weaving, so you can see how beautiful it is. I've already done one side, so it's remaining this other part. So I say, let me just film and show my wonderful subscribers how I did this beautiful cornrow or back weaving. Normal way you weave your all back, where you just cut and weave, it's still the same way. So what you just do is just, I hope you are seeing me. The other side. Trying to pack this side so it's not disturb me while I'm weaving. So I've just finished packing my hair. How to get this particular all back, how to get this particular style. You can as well, while weaving like this, if you're weaving, you'll be using the one I'm showing you for today is the easiest way to make this particular all back weaving. Like, it's very easy. If you are finding it hard to make this style, this is the right video for you to learn and see how to make this type of all back weaving that will give you this kind of cutting. So what I do is I cut first, like I try to part my weave, like I try cutting the line. I don't make it too big, so it will be fine and neat. I don't make it too big. I just weave. So I weave it out first before plating. That is what I do. I just weave like this. I weave everything down before I plait it, before I weave it. I'm done with it, so let me weave now. After doing it like this, it's just for you to just weave the hair. add this tiny one to the big one while weaving. So thank you, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.